First of all, open the Notes app and you can scan a document here, or you can simply import a document where you want to add a signature. Now, while the document is opened, tap the share icon from the document. In here, tap on markup. Now, tap this plus icon, select add signature, and here you will find all your add date signature. You can select any existing signature from here to add. You can adjust your signature size. You can simply change signature location. And now if you want to add a custom signature, all you have to need, tap this plus icon, add signature, tap on add or remove signature. In here, tap this plus icon, and now you can simply just go ahead and draw your signature. Once you're happy, tap on done, and we can see our newly created signature has been added. Now you can just go ahead and add this signature. Once you're happy, tap on done and tap on save to file. And now go ahead and select a location where you want to save the document. And now I'm just opening my Files app, and here we can see the newly saved document successfully added with my signature. So that's it for now.